Hello everybody, this is our revision class number 1 and this time I am making this video second time because as per our first class there is some noise problem, and if you consider our old video of the revision class number 1 and this time in that class we consider some problem which is related to the probability. Okay, so consider the first questions. The one dice is thrown. Find the probability the getting prime numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. So first of all, consider the possible outcome of this particular experiment. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. So these 6 are the possible outcome of this particular experiment. That means when we throw a dice one time, and after that if you consider the first event, the getting the prime numbers, in between this 6, the 2 is our prime numbers, 3 is prime number and the 5 is our prime number. So the total number of favorable outcome of this particular event is the P is the prime number. The prime number is equal to 3 is the total number of favorable outcome is 3 and the total number of possible outcome of this particular experiment is 6. That means it is produced half. So this is the answer for the first part of this particular questions. Second part, the odd number. The probability of the odd number, and this time the 1 is odd, 3 is odd and 5 is also odd, and this time the 3 is our favorable total number of favorable outcome by the total number of possible outcome, and this is also produce the same result, that means the half. And third one, the even number, and if you consider the even number, this is the 2, 4 and the 6. That means it is also 3 by 6 and it will produce the half. So this type of problem is very important as per your upcoming exam and as well as your board exam. The next question is the 2 dice are thrown. So next experiment is the 2 dice are thrown simultaneously or at a time. So total number of possible outcome is equal to 36. Why it is 36? Because when we throw a dice one time, the total number of possible outcome is 6, and when we throw a 2 dice at a time or simultaneously, the total number of possible outcome is 36. The 6 into 6. For the 3, it is 6 into 6 into 6. That is the total number of possible outcome of this particular experiment. and with the base of this experiment, we construct the two event, the product of the two numbers. And always remember, if you consider that this particular experiment, the two dice are thrown at a time or simultaneously, the each and every sample point, that means each and every outcome of all the possible outcome is in that form, 1, 1, that form. Okay, so the product of the two numbers, the product of two number is equal to 6, and another type is the sum of two number it is also 6. So these are the two events which is associated with this sample space of this experiment. So if you consider the first experiment event, so that is the product of the two number is 6. That means after the throwing the two dice at a time, if you consider the two number are shown in a two dice and the product of the two number is equal to 6, that is our event. So the possible favorable outcome for this 6, 1 into 6, it is produced the 6. After that 6 and 1 is also produced the 6. 2, 3 is also produced the 6, and 3, 2 is also produced the 6. That means the total number of favorable outcome for this particular event is 4. That means the probability of product is equal to 6 is equal to the total number of favorable outcome is this 4. That means the 4 by 36, and it is nothing but the 1 by 9. Okay, this is the answer for the first part. And the next one is the sum of the two numbers. The sum of the two numbers, and this time we consider 1, 5. The sum of these two also produce the 6. After that 5, 1, it is also produce the 6. Next 2, 4. The addition of the 2 and 4, it is also produce the 6. 4, 2, it is also produce the 6. And these are the 4 possible outcome for this next event. That is the sum of the two number is 6. 1 plus 5 is produce the 6. 5 plus 1 is also produce the 6. 2 plus 4 is also produce the 6. And then 4 plus 2 also produce the 6. And another one is 3 plus 3 is also produce the 6. So that means the total number of favorable outcome for the second event, that is the sum of the two number is 6. It is 5. It is 5 by 26. So this is the answer for the next one. Okay, so these are the types are very important for as per your exam point of view. That's all for the today's lecture. Thank you everybody.